Good grief, I was crawling on my belly. My keys came out of my pocket right there. Okay, so now we're gonna look over this way. Oh, that looks pretty good. Down through there. And there was also a Y here. It's got insulation wrapped around it, and that's all fine. And I saw some baling wire, which is tie wire, and I don't know where it is now. I was crawling around and I saw that, and I thought, I'm not going to need that. And I thought I could use baling wire on that little piece of foam pipe where I put around the copper tubing, the water pipe. If it's loose a little bit, I can kind of wrap that around there and tie it tight. There's another little piece of insulation I'm going to have to push up. This one's kind of short right there, so see, I can pull it that way, and then before I push that one up. And I don't know if you can see all that. I just moved that insulation a little bit, and look at all the stuff that's coming down. That's why when I get back down under here, I'll have to be real careful, and I'll have to use my dust mask. I don't have my dust mask on right now because I'm talking to you, and see there, and so I didn't want to wear it. All weather tight bond subfloor adhesive. They use that for the floor up there, and it fell down through when they were installing, because I'm sure they put this insulation up before they put the subfloor down. That's the way to do it. You don't want to crawl in here later and do it. That's be a nightmare. Okay, onward. We're going to go on down that way, and where it's dark, where we just came from, and over to the right, there's another area where we can crawl. Let's do it. See, check it out. That's what I call baling wire. There's a little piece there. Here's another piece. Right there and here. See there? I can use stuff like that next time I'm down here if I need it. Okay. See, now we're going to go through. There's an opening over there we can go through next.